Alright, so here we are in my Cherokee, 1995 Cherokee. I've been having this funny noise come from the engine bay, and I took it to a trusty mechanic to figure out what it was, and he told me that it was probably the alternator bearings, and that's what I'm leaning to after seeing some stuff on YouTube about it. So I'm going to show you guys. Oh wow, first try. We're going to go under here and pop the hood. Sounds like a high-pitched type noise. Very faintly underneath the dashboard. You can hear it. So yeah, that's what it is. So my next video is going to be how to change out the alternator real quick on a later model Cherokee. I don't know if it's the same on the newer ones, but yeah, I'm gonna pick up an alternator. Well, actually, what I'm gonna do first is, in case this one happens to die on me on the road tomorrow, because I have no money right now, we're gonna go over to the parts Cherokee, and we're gonna steal the alternator out of here, put it in my back seat in case I happen to completely break it off. I mean, I was told it shouldn't be, it should just be the bearings in there. I don't know if it should eventually break off, but I want to keep a spare just in case. And I'll show a video on how to do that. Thanks for watching.